Welcome to Top Num Up. Today we explore the rich and diverse world of Asian cuisine, a realm of balance, flavor, and tradition. From spicy curries to delicate broths, one thing makes it all possible: the ingredients. Here are the top 40 essential ingredients in Asian cuisine you'll find in dishes across the continent. Soy sauce, a salty, umami-rich base in East Asian cooking. Garlic. Used fresh or fried, it adds depth to stir-fries and sauces. Ginger, bright, spicy root that enhances soups, curries, and teas. Rice, the foundation of nearly every Asian meal. Sesame oil. Nutty and aromatic, it finishes many Korean and Chinese dishes. Fish sauce. Funky, salty, and essential in Southeast Asian cooking. Chili peppers. Dried, fresh, or in paste, they bring the heat. Green onion, scallion, used as garnish or flavor enhancer in soups and stir-fries. Tofu, protein-rich and versatile, used in soups, frying, and grilling. Miso paste, fermented soybean paste, key to Japanese soups and marinades. Lemongrass, citrus-like herb found in Thai and Vietnamese recipes. Coconut milk, rich and creamy base for many Thai and Indonesian curries. Rice vinegar, tangy and mild, ideal for dressings and sushi rice. Tamarind paste, adds tang and complexity to Indian and Thai dishes. Hoisin sauce, sweet and savory sauce often used in marinades. Curry leaves, earthy and aromatic, used in Indian tempering. Nori, seaweed, used in sushi and soups for its umami taste. Garam masala, Indian spice blend with cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. Sichuan peppercorns, numbing spice found in Chinese Sichuan cuisine. Palm sugar, sweetener used in Thai and Indonesian dishes. Star anise, licorice-scented spice in broths and braises. Rice noodles, found in dishes like pad thai and pho. Fermented black beans, salty umami Chinese ingredient. Wasabi, spicy green paste served with sushi. Gochujang, Korean chili paste with heat and sweetness. Turmeric, bright yellow spice with earthy notes, key to Indian cooking. Coriander, cilantro, leaves and seeds used across Asia for freshness. Peanut sauce, nutty and savory dip used in Southeast Asia. Daikon radish, mild and crunchy, used in Japanese and Korean dishes. Udon noodles, thick and chewy Japanese noodles. Rice paper, used for Vietnamese spring rolls. Eggs, boiled, fried, or preserved, used in ramen, rice bowls, and more. Black sesame seeds, used in desserts, sauces, and rice toppings. Bean sprouts, crunchy texture in stir-fries and soups. Shiitake mushrooms, deeply umami-rich and used fresh or dried. Bok choy, leafy vegetable in soups and stir-fries. Paneer, fresh cheese in Indian vegetarian dishes. Kaffir lime leaves, fragrant and citrusy, common in Thai curries. Mustard seeds, used in Indian tadka, tempering, for heat and aroma. Dried anchovies, base for Korean broths and stews. Asian cuisine isn't just about recipes, it's about the ingredients that bring them to life. From the spicy to the savory, these 40 staples help define the flavors of an entire continent. Which ones do you already use? Which would you love to try? Like, comment, and subscribe to Top Num Up for more global food adventures.